Hi guys. Today I will explain how many languages ElevenLabs have. This process is simple and easy, but before going any further, let me tell you the main point in simple words. The number of voice-over is depend upon your subscription, which you purchase. It means higher price packages have more voice-over, so let's find out it. So that's why I'm going to ElevenLabs by clicking on it. And now I am on the homepage of ElevenLab. From here, take a look on the left bottom, you will see your account. And from here, click on this arrow, and on the third number, you can see the option subscriptions. Just click on it. Scroll down a bit until you see all the plans of ElevenLabs. So let's explore the first one. The first plan is free. When you will sign in for the first time in ElevenLabs, you will get 10,000 free character, and that will be for a month. And after a month, you will get more 10,000 characters. And in this plan, you can generate voice-over in 29 different languages. And let's explore the next. The next one is Starter. It will cost $5, and in this, you will get 30,000 characters. And also, it will include everything which is in free plan. And one more thing you will get here, clone of your voice, with as little as 1 minute of audio. The next one, Creator, currently my plan. It also include everything in Starter and Plus, but it's not enough. If you scroll down more, you can see the option of custom voice in free plan. You will get 3 custom voices in Starter. You will get 10 voices in Starter, 30 voices in Creator, and 160 in Pro. And on Scale, you will get 660 voices. As I said before, higher price of packages will give you more benefit. If you want to use ElevenLabs yourself, click down the link in the subscription to help support our channel. I hope after watching my video, you will understand how many voices ElevenLabs have.